Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Hope you are doing well. Today I came again with one more video about inkjet printers technology. First of all, I'm going to show you a technique you can apply on any kind of inkjet printers. Okay, it can be HP, Epson, or Canon Pixma, or it can be EcoTank by Epson. What is the issue exactly? Sometimes you can face, maybe you will face the problem printer. If your printer is printing zigzag text or wavy text, you can see over here. If your printer is printing zigzag text or wavy text, or sometime when you draw the table and the lines of a table, maybe it will not straight. So what is the issue for this problem if your printer is printing wavy text or zigzag text? And this issue can happen in any kind of inkjet printer. Okay, the issue this issue came from encoder strip dirtiness of encoder strip. Any ink tank printer has encoder strip inside. Okay, at the time of ink cartridge installation, maybe someone can touch the encoder strip and this encoder strip became dirty. So at that time, when you give the print from your computer, the printer will not print well. It can be output can be a zigzag or wavy, or any other issue can happen. So which things you need to consider how you are going to clean encoder strip? Okay, first of all you have to open the ink door. In my case, I have first of all remove the power. I have Canon TR4640 printer. You have to take a small paper of paper napkin, and I have contact cleaner WD-90. Just throw a bit amount, not a huge amount, small amount of WD-90 or any other contact cleaner, not oil, contact cleaner. And make sure that at the time of cleaning, don't damage the encoder strip. Okay, you have to clean the encoder strip with very carefully. Okay, because it's very sensitive and it can be pull with your hand. So make sure that just clean it. And while do not need to disassemble the printer, just hold it like this, and any way that's your convenience, and insert your hand inside. With the help of, I will use my 2 fingers to clean this encoder strip. Okay, here we go. You can make more visible with the help of torch. Yeah, it's because there was a small amount of grease on the encoder strip. And now I will turn the power on. I will check again the print test page to make sure that how it's the printing. Here you will see the difference, guys, and this was before cleaning the encoder strip. You can see the text over here, and right after cleaning the encoder strip, very neat and clean copy. Hope you got the point. Hope you understand it, how to clean the encoder strip and the issue that came with if your printer is printing zigzag text or wavy text, how to solve the problem in any kind of inkjet printers. In case if you required any further information about any type of inkjet printer or laser jet printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. And if you have any other information about this wavy or zigzag text, you can tell me in the comments below. I will really appreciate your comments. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and join my channel to get perks for special assistance. For now, that's it. All the best, and see you again in my next video.